Welcome to my channel. If you have passion for elevating your home decor with high-end style on a budget, whether it's from the Dollar Tree, garage sales, Hobby Lobby, or any bargain spot, you are in the perfect channel to discover creative and affordable designs inspirations. This video is part of an open collaboration. I'm going to talk to you about that a little later, but now let's go ahead and start with our first project. Look at this beautiful, huge ornament. I'll start pouring some of this acrylic white paint in the inside of the ornament. I'll be doing the same thing with the metallic silver paint, and once that is done, then I'm going to shake the ornament until both of these paints are combined and we have the inside of the ornament completely covered with both of these acrylic paints. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that to the side and come in and try to create a bow. I'm not the best creator in bows. I just make the easy bow. Everybody can make bow. So what I do is I take pieces of ribbons and all I do is glue each end with hot glue, and then I put one on top of the other, and then I come in with a little bit of jute twine or jute string, and I go ahead and I tie both of them together. Just keep watching, this will all make sense. And then so that middle section won't look so plain, I have this ribbon that is glittery from Dollar Tree, and with more hot glue I just go ahead and wrap it around with a little bit more of hot glue. I tuck it in, I cut the excess, and this other ribbon, somebody gave me this ribbon. I'll be cutting a piece and this will be the legs or the tails. So this was my easy to make bow. And now let's go ahead and start decorating this pretty ornament. These little rhinestones are so gorgeous. I'm just gonna go ahead. They're self-adhesive, but of course I'm gonna have to add a little bit of hot glue because they're not staying in place. And I'm gonna wrap them around this little metal part right here. I'm going to be adding the bow right on top with plenty of hot glue. And once I saw this ornament, I mean, I love it. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, but I thought there was something else missing. So I headed to my Cricut and I printed the word Noel, and I'm going to be placing it right in front of the ornament. But before that, I'm going to go ahead and add the ribbon so like that we can have something to hang it on the tree. Guess what? I have 4 rhinestones left over. So with some hot glue, I'm going to glue them right up here. I'm going to also show you the ornament with and without the word Noel. Rush over to the comment section and let me know which way you like it best. Today's video features an open playlist titled 5 Under 5, where I am honored to be invited by Emily from Farm Charm Chic. The theme revolves around Christmas ornaments, and this event takes place every 5th of each month at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. You will also find a playlist down in my description box. Please make sure to go visit them and let them know that we send you. Our challenge today is craft 5 ornaments under $5 each. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump into our next project. I'm gonna take this acrylic paint and I'm gonna give this bamboo round one entire coat of this acrylic white paint. Is that what you call this? And this little fella here, his name is Cafe. This is my daughter's cat. She's here for the week and he is adorable. And he wants to take Diva's position. He wants to be my new helper. It's so funny. My daughter's friend lost his cat and someone told him that his cat was in a building So he went to find his cat, and the surprise that he got was that there was a 6 little kittens inside the building, and they were demolishing the building. So he took all 6 cats, brought them to my daughter, and said, "Can you find a home for all of these cats?" And my daughter was like, "What?" Well, she managed to give away 4, but she kept 2, and Cafe is one of them. And by the way, do you want to know if he found his cat? Ask me in the comment section and I'll tell you. So that bamboo stick, I also cut it, painted with the same acrylic white paint, and with some hot glue I glued it right in here. And then I have this grass sheet. I'm cutting a piece, and with more hot glue I'm gonna glue it right here, and then with my finger knife I'll come in and cut the excess off. I'm gonna add this little round hook on top because we need something to hang this ornament on the tree. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I tried putting this hole in here, and I tried for like 1,000 years. So I decided to come in with my drill and then make a hole, and that helped. And then of course I got gray hair in the process. The part that screws in is pretty long, so all I did was come back and cut the excess off, and then tucked it in with a little bit of hot glue. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and make one of those simple bowls that I like to make. So let's go ahead and assemble all of this. With some hot glue, I'm going to put the bowl up here. Then I have this nativity set or scene, and I am going to be placing all 3 of them down here in the bottom. And that's baby Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. And look at how beautiful. So now with a little bit of baker's twine, I'm going to put it around that hook that gave me such a hard time putting together. And this is it. You must let me know in the comment section what you think about this pretty ornament. I really like it. And now for ornament number 3. I'm going to proceed with this light that I am totally recycling. It was snowing and it was 17 degrees out here, and I did not want to go to the dollar store and get frozen. But here it is. I already took it out. I put it inside this big light bulb, also from Dollar Tree. I've had this for like, I don't know, maybe 2 years now, and it fit just perfect. You see that? I also have a white Christmas tree with some hot glue. I'm just going to go ahead and place it inside this light bulb. I'm a little off frame, as you can tell. I'm sorry about that. And I also have a light pole and a Santa Claus that I'm going to be adding as well. So I was having a hard time putting that light pole in the inside, as you can tell. But then with Santa Claus came around, I got smarter. I used my tool and I was able to maneuver it a lot better. And of course, later on, I came in with some white sand and I added sand just to make sure that it looks like snow. This will be it for this beautiful ornament. I am in love with this one. This looks so beautiful. And of course, it has some lights, and you know that everything with lights makes it look a lot better. And here we are, all finished with this Christmas ornament. I like to hear your thoughts. And for our 4th ornament, I got these ornaments at a grab bag last year from Michael's. And of course, they had it 3 of these for $4.99. I definitely not pay that. Oh my God, I was so happy when I got this box because I received so many beautiful items for Christmas. Unbelievable. I was super happy. Okay, enough of that conversation. Let's go ahead and take this khaki color and the ornament. I'm going to go ahead and start distressing it. Now, once I distressed it, I thought I went overboard with the khaki color. So you're going to see me going back and forth with the white chalk paint and trying to make it look lighter. In this section up here, I thought that I would do the metallic gold paint, which looks nice now, but for the theme that I had going on, I thought it was a little off. So later on, of course, I took the brown acrylic paint and I went over this one. This nativity set, I purchased it at Dollar Tree. I took antique wax, I watered it down, and I distressed all the pieces. And here I am painting this in brown. Please let me know in the comment section, do you think that this would have looked better in gold or the way I'm painting it now? Brown. I'm just trying to make sure that it's all uniform with the nativity set. So let me know in the comment section. In the meantime, I also came back and I am toning it down with a white chalk paint. I thought this was looking a little too dark, so this is what I'm doing. And now it's time to assemble this beautiful ornament. Now with some hot glue, I'm going to start gluing the nativity set. I also want to remind you that this is part of an open playlist and you can find that playlist in my description box. Make sure that you visit this playlist for more inspiration. And I'm just continuing to build this nativity scene. This is so pretty, and for $125, I think it's a bargain. I also bought a little package of stars also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be taking one of them, and with hot glue I'm going to be gluing it right on top of here. This is going to be looking absolutely gorgeous once it's completely done. I also have my drill. I came in and I'm going to be making a hole right up here, and that's going to help us to hang it on the tree. And I have several ribbons to choose from, and I'm going to be creating a pretty bow. And now with plenty of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and glue this bow right up here. And I also have some greenery and some Christmas bells that I will also be adding to this beautiful piece. We are almost done with this beautiful ornament. You put this in a tree or in a door. And of course, I made this for my daughter, so I believe she's going to love it. And now for our final ornament. I am so happy that I found these beautiful big ornaments at Dollar Tree. I've been collecting these for like 2 years now. I've had, oh my Lord, I've done so many projects with these. So I am putting some gold metallic paint in the inside along with white acrylic paint. So I also created a beautiful bowl of camera along with 2 bells, and that's what I added to the top of the ornament, just like the first ornament. And then once that was done, I went to my Cricut and I printed the word joy, and I'll be placing this word right in front of the ornament. This is so absolutely beautiful. I am in love with this ornament. I think I already said that about one of the other ornaments. Well, I guess I like them all. Which is your favorite so far? Let me know in the comment section. And a big thank you for sticking around until the end of my video. If you're here for the first time, I appreciate you and I hope that you consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell button so like that you'll never miss out on any of my new videos. To the loyal subscribers, you mean the world to me. Now let's dive into our final reveal.